Hey everybody, hope you guys are healthy and safe. So I have a very exciting unboxing today. This is the Honor Magic 7 Pro Porsche Design Edition. So this is the ultimate premium flagship from Honor, and I'm gonna do an unboxing because you guys know my rule, right? I don't really do unboxings anymore unless the packaging is special, and this packaging is definitely special. So after I unbox, I'm gonna set up the phone, maybe take some photo samples, but I'm not gonna dive too deep into the phone because I actually already reviewed the Honor Magic 7 Pro a month ago, and these two phones are very similar, although the camera here is slightly improved. So without further ado, let's start with the unboxing. So there's a sleeve here. This package is actually brand new. I haven't even opened it yet. Okay, so here it says, if you analyze the function of an object, its form often becomes obvious, and is a dude from Porsche, or Porsche. Okay, here is the phone. I believe this is the purple color. So the big difference between this Porsche design and the standard Honor Magic 7 Pro is in the 200 megapixel zoom lens, or it has a faster aperture of f1.9. And there's also an additional LiDAR scanner too that will provide faster focus and apparently faster stabilization. But otherwise, the main camera and the ultra-wide camera are the exact same as the Honor Magic 7 Pro, both 50 megapixel sensors. And you have a screen with quad curved OLED display, 5,000 nits of max brightness. But let's see what else is in the packaging. Okay, so we have a vegan leather case. This feels very nice. This is that vegan leather, aka fake leather material, and it snaps onto the phone. Snaps on very firmly. Protects the camera bump, also protects the corners and the top and bottom of the phone. You have here a SIM ejector tool in the Porsche design logo. So SIM ejector tool. And this is probably a USB-C cable. Okay, you have two sets of USB-C cable because, as you can already see, you have two chargers, but they're both 100 watt chargers with USB-C out. So two chargers because they have two different plugs. So this is the European plug that uses in also South Korea. And this is the UK plug that is also used in Hong Kong and Singapore. That's about it as far as the unboxing. So let me boot up the phone, set it up, and I'm gonna use it for like a day and then I will be back. Okay, so I've set up the phone. The overall interface is very similar to the Honor Magic 7 Pro, which means it's very comfortable. I like that the Honor Magic 7 Pro phones have a slightly wider display aspect ratio. So even though this is a 6.8-inch screen, it's slightly wider from left to right than any other Android phone, which makes it a little bit easier to type. You can see the screen gets very bright. You have a maximum brightness of 5,000 nits, so even right now under the sun you can see the screen very clearly. Let me change into a more colorful wallpaper so you can see the screen a little bit better. You have a wider than usual notch here, which houses a 3D time of flight sensor in addition to a selfie camera, which allows you to do real 3D face unlock and also eye tracking. So you can like control the screen with your eye, which I covered in my Honor Magic 7 Pro video. So if you want to see that, check out that video. So like I said earlier, the biggest improvements of this phone over the standard Magic 7 Pro is that the 200 megapixel periscope zoom lens has a faster aperture of f1.9. So that means the camera can take in a little bit more light and also has a shallower depth of field because of the faster aperture. And then we'll test how good the zoom is. So that's 6x. We'll do like a 13x shots right here. Pretty sharp for a 13x shot. There's also a LiDAR scanner here with over 1,000 points of focus, which will allow for faster focusing. So you can bring something into frame and it focuses it immediately. Look at it, it even gets into my nasty calluses very well. But the star of the show is that 200 megapixel zoom lens, which produces some really pleasing natural bokeh around the subject, separation between foreground and background. As mentioned earlier, you have a selfie camera that gets pretty wide, and then this is also a 3D time of flight sensor that allows you to do real 3D face unlock. That's about it. You can see the UI is also slightly different with some customized icon in that Porsche color, but I personally like a more lively color home screen, so I'll probably change it back to normal. But this is flagship phone, obviously. Snapdragon 8 Elite chip and a 5270 mAh battery, so that's larger than what's in the S25 Ultra, for example, but smaller than what's in some of the phones. Another aspect of the Honor Magic 7 Pro I really like is you have a really good portrait mode with Studio Hardcore lighting. So Studio Hardcore, if you don't know, they are an iconic French photography studio that do these are really kind of stylish black and white portraits. So you can do black and white portraits of somebody. As you can see here, I have these samples. They look pretty good. So this is the Honor Magic 7 Pro Porsche design in a nutshell. Like I said, I already did a full review of this phone. So if you want to know more about how the silicon performs and how the main camera performs, do check out that video. This is just an overview of this phone. So as for the price, now this is launching in Europe and it's quite expensive in Europe. It is 1,700 euros. So that's like 1,800 US dollars. That's quite expensive, but it is a Porsche branding design and it is a tip-top premium flagship phone. But in Asia, particularly in Hong Kong, you can get it a lot cheaper actually. In Hong Kong, this is selling for about 8,000 Hong Kong dollars, which converts to about 1,200 US dollars. So that's a lot more affordable. In fact, it is cheaper than the S25 Ultra in Hong Kong. So that's about it for this quick overview of the Honor Magic 7 Pro Porsche design. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. It would help me a lot. I have a lot more coming. It is a very busy month, man, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.